Today I'm gonna be eating 50 chicken nuggets. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Zinc back with another banger, boy. And if you can't tell by the title, today I'm gonna be eating 50 chicken nuggets. So a couple videos back, I said that if y'all got me to 500 subscribers, I'd come with a special video for y'all. And we are currently at, I don't even know, I'm gonna just put it in the video. And that just means that this video is long overdue. Today I'm gonna be pushing my limits, seeing if I could finish all 50 chicken nuggets by myself. I am fully confident in myself that I can finish these with no problem at all. So enough talking, without further ado, let's get into this video.
Welcome to McDonald's. If you have your rewards code, you can slide it down. Otherwise, order when the
I had to pick up for Jordan the code HW14. Boom! We got all 50 nuggets here. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And you can't forget the sauces. I should have got way more sauces than that. And to make it simpler on myself, I'm gonna take the tops off all these sauces so I don't have to do it while the timer is going. I just feel like that's smarter. All right, y'all, the nuggets are all set. The tops are taken off of the sauces. We are ready to go. Now that I'm looking at all this is a lot of food. I was unsure on what time I wanted to give myself to eat all this food. So I'm gonna go with 20 minutes. I'm gonna try to finish all this food in 20 minutes. I seriously think I can finish this in 20 minutes. But enough talking, all right. Whew. All right, do a little stretch, you know what I'm saying? 3, 2, 1. Gone. This is actually way harder than I thought. But not giving up. I'm trying to hurry. Go. Woo! I'm not even full, it's just my freaking jaw hurt. Pause. Woo! Oh my goodness! God dang! I swear I'm not full, bro. It's my freaking jaw. I'm trying not to slow down. Shoot. We're gonna do this, y'all. We're doing this. Oh my gooeyes. My gooeyes. Freaking jaw, bro. Gone. Literally got 20 more, bro. 20 more. And we still, I think I'm doing pretty decent on time too. Oh my god. Ah! I'm trying to push, y'all. I'm trying to push. I'm over here getting lockjaw. It's not time to throw in the towel. We gotta drive. We gotta drive through. Drive through. We're not going out without a fight. Cause this team Zinc over here. And we strive for greatness. Oh my goodness. Whew. I forgot to get a water, so I'm dying. Man, this is tough. Oh my goodness. I don't want to eat no more chicken. Gone. Gone. One more. Just one more. This is so crazy. I got so much chicken in my mouth. I'm wasting time. And literally got one more sauce left. Literally one. Oh my gosh, bro. You're almost at the finish line. Oh my god. I got 7 more. 7 more. Man, I sure don't want to look at another chicken nugget for a long time after this video. It's most definitely starting to kick in now. On the last 7. Oh my god. 5 more, y'all. 5 more. Ah. Oh, shoot, bye. Bro, I'm so freaking full, I don't know what to do. Ah! I'm so sorry for the unnecessary yelling. I'm doing it to cover up how full I am. I should just stuff all these down my throat paws, but I don't want to get sick. And it's freaking killing me because it's just 4 more. Literally just 4 more, 4 more. Man, I don't think I'm gonna be doing another eating challenge either. I don't know about it. I don't know. I got 2 more. It's all in the head. It's all in the head, y'all. It's all in the head. Push, 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 push. Last one. I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it! I'm gonna have to see the timer in this video because I actually didn't have a timer to go off of because I was recording off of my phone. But hopefully I just beat this challenge for real. Oh my goodness, I am hella full, bro. I guess I'm gonna see after this video if I done beat it or not. But that will be the end of today's video. If I finished it all before the time, hit that like button and subscribe. Even if I didn't, subscribe anyway. Zinc out.